Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial video, I will create the logo for a construction company. So let's start the video, and before starting this video, make sure that you subscribe my channel and please watch the video up to the end. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger, then adjust it by pressing the arrow keys. Hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy. And now let's decrease the stroke. Hold Alt key to delete from the shape. Select them and hold Alt key to delete from the shape by using the shaper tool. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. Press Ctrl C to copy it and press Ctrl V to paste it here. And then hold Alt key to delete from the shape. Hold Shift and Alt key to make a ellipse, then select one font by quick selection tool and then press delete key. Hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy. Hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy, then press Ctrl D to repeat the step. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger, then select one point and press delete key. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. Hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos, and I will be right back with another amazing video.